Malted Creme de Menthe Pine Nut Oatmeal Raisin cookies have a buttery malted mint flavor with a soft and chewy texture. This recipe makes a generous 3 dozen 40-gram cookies and takes less than an hour to prepare. Start by roasting a batch of maple pine nut granola because it needs to be cool before it can be folded into the cookie dough. To make half a kilogram or a generous pound, toss 200 grams rolled oats with 150 grams pine nuts and 150 grams maple syrup. Then spread onto a silicone-lined baking sheet and toast in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven, stirring once or twice until golden brown, which takes about 15 to 20 minutes. When cool, the granola should be dry and easy to separate. Next, poach raisins and sweeten butter. To make creme de menthe raisin butter, start by grinding 50 grams of sugar with a dried vanilla bean and 6 cardamom pods, sifting out any lumps. Then gently simmer 200 grams butter with 200 grams raisins, the vanilla cardamom sugar, and 50 grams creme de menthe for 3 minutes to infuse the spice flavors. Cover with a lid to allow the raisins to plump up and soften in the sweet butter as they cool. Next, scale and mix the remaining ingredients separately. In a small bowl, toss 125 grams pastry flour, 75 grams barley malt, 10 grams cocoa, 5 grams baking powder, 5 grams baking soda, 5 grams salt, and set the bowl aside. Then in a large bowl, whisk 2 large eggs and mix in the additions of 150 grams brown sugar, 50 grams honey, the creme de menthe raisin butter, the maple pine nut granola, and the chocolate malt flour mixture until combined. Then fold in 180 grams white chocolate chips evenly and form into 40-gram portions or round cookie dough pucks. Refrigerate until ready to bake or freeze the dough pucks and bake to order later. When the dough pucks are room temperature, evenly space them on a silicone mat. Lightly press them into an even disc shape and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 14 minutes. The cookies are done when they are nicely browned around the edges and crusted over in the center, but still soft.